completed your postgraduate programs. You've also gained some experience in the same field. You've also completed your PhD and gained some postdoctoral experience as well. What's next? A job in the research field, right? Hi, this is Debarathi from Biotechnica, and today I am here to inform you that Dr. Reddy's Institute of Life Sciences are hiring for the posts of Research Associate and postdoctoral positions. So moving on, let's see what exactly are we going to discuss in today's video. So firstly, I'm going to tell you about the institution, DRILS. Second, we're going to move on to the names of the posts and a little bit about the posts. Next, I'm going to tell you about why you should apply for these posts. What are the benefits that you would be getting once you apply for this post and secure a position? Next, I'll be moving on to the qualifications or the eligibility criteria that one candidate needs to meet in order to get selected for this post. Next, I'm going to move on to the application procedure. And lastly, I'm going to inform you about the deadlines. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So saving you the time that you're going to spend Googling about Dr. Reddy's Institute of Life Sciences, let me tell you a little bit about it. So it is a Hyderabad-based company and it is a public-private partnership model by Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, the Government of Telangana and the University of Hyderabad. So as it is mentioned in the screen, it is a not-for-profit research institute. So what does that mean? That means that this institute focuses on real research and advancement of relevant skills for the betterment of the industry as well as the betterment of the mankind, rather than focusing on just generating some monetary benefits. Also, it focuses on research and doing research for meeting the unmet needs of the people. Moving on, let me tell you a little bit about the posts that you're going to apply for. So, they are research associate posts and postdoctorate positions. So mainly, your responsibilities are going to be some industry-oriented and sponsored projects. Let me move on to why you should apply on these posts. Let me tell you about the benefits that you will be having once you apply for this post and secure a position. So, first of all, obviously, you're going to gain experience in your field doing research. Next, you're going to get the opportunity to work directly with the higher professionals of DRILS. They are much more knowledgeable and skilled professionals, and working with them will also help you enhance your knowledge. Nextly, you will be working with a well-reputed organization. So imagine your position in your field and in your industry, where you will stand after gaining an experience in this company. Next, you will also get the insights of an industry. So it is very important to know about the industry and get proper insights about the industry to work in any industry. So you will be getting that too. And as I said before, the company works for the betterment of mankind rather than generating a monetary benefit. So we would be doing moral work as well. Moving on to the qualifications or the eligibility criteria that is needed to be met by the candidates in order to secure a position in this job. So you have to be a postgraduate with 2 to 5 years of experience. Also, you have to have the PhD certificate, and a candidate with a minimum 2 years of experience is preferred over the general. Candidates with experience in molecular biology and cell culture are also preferred. Moving on to the application procedure. So you have to email your CV to the email address that you can see on the screen. And you also have to find a few specifications in the link given in the description below. Find the specifications and send the appropriate mail to get enrolled for this job. And hurry up because time is running out. The last date for application would be 15th January 2022. And do not worry if you're watching this video after the deadline because we always have something for you. Download the Biotechnica official app to stay updated about latest jobs, exam alerts, admission alerts, internships, scholarships, CSIR net coaching, GATE coaching, and much more. So that was all for today's video. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to Biotecnika's official channel to get notified whenever we post something. This is Debarati Banerjee saying goodbye.